Alright guys, this video we're going to go over a third method for actually graphing. We've graphed by using an XY chart. We graphed by using the slope-intercept form. This last method is we're going to graph by finding what's called the X and Y intercepts. We kind of dealt with Y-intercept and slope-intercept form, but now we're going to talk about X-intercepts. So if I can just get those 2 points, the point that's on the X-axis, the point that's on the Y-axis, I can just connect them and I'll get the same line. Now, to kind of understand the directions right here, everything's really kind of spelled out for us. It has here to find the x-intercept. This is where the line crosses the x-axis, and it says let y equal 0. Okay, I'm going to kind of explain that. Now, think of it. If I put a point on the x-axis right here, like here's the x-axis. If I put this right here, I'm not sure what the x value is, but I know the y value is 0. If I move the point to the left, well, the y value is still 0 because I'm not moving up or down. So as I move left and right on this x-axis, the x values change, but the y value is still 0. Now, likewise, the opposite is going to happen for a y-intercept. On the y-intercept, we saw this in doing an XY chart. The x value was always 0, and that kind of makes sense. If I use a laser pointer right here, right, the x value is 0 right here. If I move it down, the x value is still 0 because I'm not moving left or right. So in the end, to find an intercept, let the opposite variable equal 0. So for the x-intercept, I let the opposite variable of y equal 0. To find the y-intercept, I let the opposite variable of x equal 0. Okay, so if I can just do that, it'll give me those 2 intercepts. I'm going to graph those 2 points and then connect them, and I have my line. Okay, I'm going to do number 1 and 2 on this. Alright, again, everything's kind of like spelled out for us. I have that equation, 2x plus 4y equals 8. This is in a good form to do this method because it's not in slope-intercept form, so I don't have to waste my time with it. So to find this x-intercept, well, I'm going to do this. I'm going to let the opposite variable y equal 0. So I'm basically going to plug 0 right into here for y. So then it becomes 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. Well, this is a good thing. 4 times 0 is 0. So I'm not going to say 2x plus 0. That's redundant. And then it's just 2x equals 8. Then it's a very simple equation. Divide both sides by 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that x-intercept is 4. And this ordered pair, the x value is 4. And I already know that the y value is 0. So I'm going to plot that point 4, 0. This is the x-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right there. That's on the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that that point's on the line. And then to get the y-intercept, do this in a different color. Do it in blue. To find the y-intercept, let the opposite variable of x equal 0. So I'm going to plug x equals 0 right into here. So I'm going to have 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 8. Okay, good thing again, 2 times 0 is 0. So 0 plus 4y is just like saying 4y equals 8. Real simple one-step equation, divide by 4. And 8 divided by 4 gives me 2. So that tells me the y-intercept is 2. Now the ordered pair for this, right, I already know that x is 0. So x is 0 and the y value is 2. So I'm gonna graph that point. Basically, you're gonna see, guys, when you get an intercept, either the x or the y value has to be 0. So if I graph 0, 2, well, 0, 2, I just go up to here, and I'm gonna plot that point right there. I'll do this in red. So 0, 2 is this. Right? I have a point that's on the x-axis. I have a point that's on the y-axis. That's all I need. Connect it, and I get my line. All right. So that's the third method. Let's do one more. Let's do, actually, you know what? Let's just stop there. Let's just do number 1, and we'll do some of the other examples in class. All right, so main thing, to get the intercepts, let the opposite variable equal 0, and then solve for it.